Oh yes, Coinbase can burn just the way Binance are burning Terra Classic LLC. Coinbase, they are the only exchange that can burn Terra Classic to the level of the way Binance are also burning Terra Classic. You know, a lot of people always rank Binance as the first number one exchange, and of course, Coinbase as the second biggest exchange. Now, for me, I believe that Coinbase can really help because they have helped so many crypto coins to rise. They have helped so many crypto coins to pump, and they still remain one of the top crypto exchange globally in the world. So that is why a lot of people want to see Luna on their database, on their platform. And I believe, though it's not going to be easy because right now they are not even showing any sign of adding Terra Classic back, and Coinbase are not showing any sign of listening. But we still believe that talks are still going on, partnership are still going on, and anything can happen at any moment. And I believe if everything work out well, if everything they're planning work out well for Terra Classic LLC, I believe that Coinbase might likely list this coin. But right now, I think so many people are focusing on Duno to know the court case, to know the issue of Duno, because definitely the issue of Duno is really affecting Luna. So for me, I hope to see that before the end of the year. I hope to see Luna on Coinbase. Well, it's not easy. Of course, Coinbase are strictly known for following up their policy. So I don't think it's going to be easy for Terra Classic to find themselves back on Coinbase. It's not going to be easy. It can only be easy if Luna market cap trade at over, let's say, $2 to $3 billion, and Luna is still ranked among the top 60 or top 50 crypto coins. Maybe they might start considering listening to Terra Classic coin, because every top exchange, you see them, they always have at least the top 100 or top 200 crypto coins under their platform, most of the top exchanges. So I still believe that Luna needs to work hard to get themselves to the top coins, the top 30, top 40, in order to get that listening they'll be looking for, in order to get listed on Coinbase, on Robinhood. There's a possibility, if they are ranked among the top 30 crypto coins, there's a possibility that Luna can reach that level. But anyway it is, let's keep on showing our support towards the Terra Classic LLC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.